How to install and download Waze on iPhone? Alright, let's get Waze app and running on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. Tap on the App Store. This is where all the good apps live. Tap the search bar at the bottom right. In the search bar, type Waze. When it appears in the result, tap on it. You will see a Get button or cloud download icon. Tap on it. If prompted, confirm using Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. A loading circle will appear. In a few minutes, the app will install and ready. Once the button changes to open, tap it to launch the app. You can also find it on your home screen. Waze will ask for a few permissions. Location access. Location allow while using app for best result. If you are new in Waze, tap Get Started and create a new account, or you can log in with Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or you can continue as a guest. And that's it. Waze is now installed on your iPhone and ready to guide wherever you go. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more quick tutorials, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.